Hi everyone, I'm going to show you right now how to log into the MassCom Week website and then how to upload images to your speaker bios. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to johnsmickley.com/mcweek, and you'll see that this is kind of our staging site right now before it gets moved over to our new host, which will be txstatemcweek.com. But until then, we're going to use this site, and to log into this site you have to type in whatever the website is /wp-admin. When it does switch over to txstatemcweek, you'll also just go ahead and add this wp-admin at the very end of the website domain, and then you'll see that when you log in, when you press that, now all you have to do to log in with your username and password is type in your Texas State email and then the word password, Password, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. And when you log in, the first thing you'll see is the dashboard. This is the WordPress dashboard. It's the back end of the website that we see. So the main thing that you're going to look at is the pages. When you click on pages, you will then be able to edit any page that's on the website. The main one that you're going to look at right now is called the Speaker Bios page, so you'll click on that. And when you click on it, you will see all of the different thumbnails that we've already created. These are just kind of placeholders. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your particular speaker and click on the name, the image of who you want to replace, and click this little pencil edit button. Now it's going to look, you're going to see the thumbnail of the image, and we're basically going to want to replace the image that's already there. So there's a button that says replace. From there you can click upload files, and this is where we're going to be able to upload any file we want to. I'm going to go ahead and upload just this random picture that I found. Press open, and you'll see that the image is being uploaded. Now the first thing I want to do is, before I just go ahead and put that in, I want to crop that image so that it matches, all the images are matching. So to do that, you press the edit image link over here on the far right, edit image. From there you can actually go right in and crop the image, and we're looking at a ratio of 300 by 200. So I'm going to type that in here, 300 by 200, and there. And if this were the picture that I was going to use, then that would be just fine, and I would press the crop button, which would crop what I wanted, and then I would press save. But sometimes you're uploading an image and it's really, really big, and so it's not going to necessarily come out this great. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is not just crop it, but you're going to want to scale it, scale the image. And we're looking for a ratio of 300 by 200. So let me first go ahead and scale it. You'll see that when I typed in 300, the actual image, if I made the width to be 300, would force my height to be 225 because I want to constrain the proportion. So the first step in, if your image is really, really big, you want to change this first option to 300. That will scale it down, scale your image way, way down for the web. Then the second step will be to crop it, and that's when you're going to want to grab this, and we are going to want to make it 300 by 200. And now you'll see that my crop takes up the entire screen because I've scaled it already to 300. So whenever you're in doubt and your image is just not working out with the crop that we did, you might have to scale it again. The very first step would just be to make the first number here 300. Once you do that and press scale, now when you go to crop it to 300 by 200, it'll be a lot easier to find that crop. So anyway, I'm going to press the little crop button, and now I've cropped it, and I'm going to press save, and so now the image is saved. And now I can go ahead and click on that image, and down here in the drop down it now says full size 300 by 200. Now when I click that, I can go ahead and press replace, and now it's replaced the image with my new image. You're going to go ahead and change the name and then the bio of whatever person that you're updating. So to put in your bio, you would just grab your Word doc. You can even just copy and paste it right in here in the right where it says bio. And that's pretty much it. You'll just press update and the image should be updated.